African National Congress Secretary General Fikile Mbalula has laid down the law, telling all 2027 National Conference leadership hopefuls he will come down heavily on anyone attempting to start the succession debate. After battling the 2024 national and provincial elections, the ANC has to regroup and not preoccupy itself with who gets to lead next. According to Mbalula, those talking about who must replace ANC President Cyril Ramaphosa in December 2027 will be met with the strongest suppression they have never seen before. He said, "We must not be diverted, and we come from a terrible, horrible, disastrous election campaign that gave us 40%, and the first thing we think is who becomes a leader after President Ramaphosa. It can't be that discussion. We are going to suppress it to the moon and back till it happens at the right time. Not that it shouldn't happen. We are not going to entertain it. We know there are people who are whispering. We find them. We are going to suppress it. You would never seen suppression in your life in the ANC. You are going to see that now. Succession debate is not important now." Fikile Mbalula was speaking on the sidelines of the 6th ANC National Executive Committee NEC meeting at the Beachwood Hotel in Ekurhuleni, Gauteng. Mbalula is counted among those likely to contest against Deputy President Paul Mashatile in the tug-of-war to replace Ramaphosa at what is expected to be watershed conference. Others whose names have been bandied about for the top job include Treasurer General Gwen Ramakgopa, Gauteng Provincial Chair Panyaza Lesufi, Eastern Cape Premier Oscar Mabuyane, Police Minister Senzo Mchunu, and International Relations and Cooperation Minister Ronald Lamola. Mbalula, however, believes such discussions are premature, and he, as administration boss of the party, will have zero tolerance for such. The firebrand Mbalula believes their priority should be gaining lost ground in electoral support. He promised he will crack down on any ANC member or leader who deviates from the marching orders the NEC issues after its meeting that is doing a deep dive on the declining support. He stated, "ANC is 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Our preoccupation cannot be who becomes the next leader. Those who wanted to leave have left. Others are already on their way back from the other party because they did not get what they wanted." Mbalula added he was not shy of assuming the ANC's top office but will indicate his interest at the right time. He said, "You journalists, you are not to be blamed, but you know when you plant the seed, because those who want to lead are coming to you at night and then they tell you their interest. They come through gossip at night, but you guys write because it's a nice headline. I'm not afraid of leading, and I'm also not afraid of being led. I'm in charge now. This position I hold of being the SG is a big responsibility. I only can undermine this work ANC members have given me. I'm going to work on this, including after calamity visited on us. What will happen in 2027? What members of the ANC want, they will pronounce. But we are not going to turn the ANC program of the action to become 2027 with people doing as they wish. We are going to suppress them heavily, and we are not going to allow political opportunism to reign in the ANC." He said that the departure of many ANC leaders and members who have gone to start or join splinter parties such as Umkhonto we Sizwe Party has given the ANC an opportunity to fully drive its renewal program, and stated, "We are going to drive this organization, revive our structures and branches. Those who wanted to leave have left. Others are already on their way back from other parties because they did not get what they wanted. But the people who were paying in this organization who wanted to leave have left. So we've got an opportunity to build an organization, intensify renewal, and build the organization. It doesn't mean there are no people who are whispering about 2027, but it cannot be the preoccupation. People must hold back and give a chance to the ANC to regroup and build a strong organization." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.